Augustusburg Palace is considered the first and most important Rococo castle in Germany. Built for Cologne's Archbishop Clemens August in the early 18th century, it was intended to be a summer palace, only used for 4 to 6 weeks per year. Because the project was so extensive, Clemens August actually died before its completion and before the bankruptcy notices came rolling in for his exorbitant expenses. Over the centuries, the palace underwent periods of neglect and restoration, including some significant damage during World War II. The French-style gardens of Augustusburg Palace are a masterpiece in their own right. They were designed by Dominique Girard, a pupil of the famous French landscape architect André Lenotre, the architect who designed the gardens at Versailles.
And then the fountains. That goes on a very gradual, low step.
My belated apologies, there's no filming allowed inside the palace.